closed beta test of the first automated trading bot for Pocket Option is still going on. We have already implemented 3 new features. Firstly, auto trading is now available for demo accounts. Secondly, the asset is being locked after your trade was closed in profit. The third function, signal strength. If your generated signal was recognized as unstable or weak, the deal won't be opened. We are now implementing more interesting features, so stay tuned and suggest your updates in comments. The link is in the description.
Moobert.